data and signals. Data and signals. Data and signals. So data or information, we learned this. So data means data are raw facts. About this we learn in the first chapter, right? About someone, something, or some concept. We learned this in the first chapter. And information is processed or meaningful data. Information is processed or meaningful data. Right. So what is a signal then? What is signal? Yes. What is a signal? It's not single signal. What is a signal? Yes. So data, you know, what is a signal? Signal like let's say I'll take example. Someone is signaling you. Someone is signaling you. Right? Someone is signaling you. What is signal? Signaling. Nathon signal එකක් දෙනවා කියලා කියනවා. මොකක්ද? Data means something at rest. The things at rest. එක තැනකනේ data තියෙන්නේ. Raw facts about something, someone, some concept. It's there in some place. What is signal? දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ signal කියලා දැන් මේ කියන්නේ ඔය මේ ටෙලිෆෝන් එකට signal නැහැ කියනවා. Then you are telling that I am disconnected, sir, because there's a signal issue. So what is this signal then? I'm asking, what is this signal? Netoli, what is this? What is a signal? Data, you know. So what is signal then? You can say data at transmit. Data at maybe data at transit. So transit, let's check the word. Yes. Data at transit. Signal is data at transit. That means moving data. We can call a signal. Signal එකක් කියන්නේ data ගමන් ගන්න වෙලාවට. So signal නැහැ කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? You will not receive that. It's not going out or it's not coming in. Data at transit we call a signal. So I think I can see someone is now connecting and disconnecting. Maybe the issue is what? Signal loss. Issue is you are not getting the signal properly. Maybe you cannot hear the lesson properly. That's why you are rejoining. I don't know. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then signals are okay. Data at transit is okay now. Right. Then signal means data at transit. This signal, so we have two kind of signals. Right. There are, so please write down this, right? There are two kinds of signals. So here in this chapter, actually, I have to do a lot of work. I have to talk, and talk. But you have to listen. So, but don't sleep. Right? You have a few to do. Because I have to do the explanation part and I have to write the note. I have to give you the note. You just need to sit and write down the note just by understanding the concept. Okay, there are two kinds of signals. The first one is analog. We call continuous. So the second one is digital signal. Digital, or you call discrete signals. Let me take exact term. It's not there. Discrete. I have to check the font, right? Check the spelling. Discrete. So continuous and discrete signals. Let me check the spelling. So I have not used this term for a long time. Sorry, my mistake. Continuous was discrete. continuous was discrete signals, right? So one is continuous here. So this is second one is discrete. So this is called continuous signal, and this is called discrete signal. Here you can see the first one is called continuous. The second one is called discrete. Or in the other way, discrete, DIS. No, it's okay, no? DIS, yes, discrete. Continuous or analog signals and discrete or digital signals. Now you can just show this. I'm using the same chart or the graph. So basically continuous signals, signal change over time, signal change over time, and it may take any value between a given range, given value range. So, but digital signal, still signal change over time by stepping. By stepping. Stepping means, so it may take not any value, defined values. It may take defined values between a given value range. So the first one is taking any value. It can be any value. For an example, okay, think how you started your journey from grade 1. After grade 1, can you remember what was the next milestone? Grade 1, after grade 1, you came to grade. It seems my signal is not continuous, it seems. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after grade 1, can you remember to which grade you step into?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. After that, grade 3. But can you go to grade 1.1, 1.2, 1.25, 1.5.1.57? Can you go like that? Oh, it's only grade 2. So after grade 1, you have grade 2 only, the second level. So similar to that, so here 0th level, you have some other level only. Then you have some other level only. But here, it can take any value. For an example, your height. Your height can be between some amount and some. So maybe it will range from the shortest person to tallest person. Shortest person to tallest person, your height can be any value. Or your weight can be the lightest one to the heaviest one. So it can be changed between the time. And then the discrete signal, in the other hand, so it can change, it can get some values only, the given or defined values only. That is the difference between analog and digital signals. So can you please write down and draw this quickly in your book? Have you wrote the first one, data and signals? If not, write both, right? Data, signals, and there are two kind of signals, that is analog and digital. I would like you to write down because so you should also have some work. That's right. Okay, please write and draw it.